Creating a construction business takes time, money, patience, and most of all, hard work. Of course, each business has its own story, its own process as to how it got started. But we think it's important to learn the rules before you break them. So here are 9 fundamental steps in order to get your own construction business off the ground. Number 1, research the local market. We know you're excited, but we wouldn't recommend shooting from the hip. Do your research. At the very least, check the area in which you plan to do business and see how saturated it is. For example, it's going to be tough starting a landscape business in a small town when there's already a baker's dozen of other businesses just like yours. Businesses that have been there for many years before you. Now, if you're confident you can do better than them, by all means, go for it. But it might be a good idea to establish your headquarters and area of operation in a less saturated area. When it comes to research, ask some questions like, does the local market want the service or product I plan to offer? What are the demographics of the potential customers in my area? How many related businesses are already in my area? What services are my competitors offering exactly? What rates are my competitors offering? And what type of marketing is my competition doing? The U.S. Small Business Administration provides a treasure trove of market research, including information on the different markets and consumers. In addition, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics has information on job openings, hirings, earnings, and other data related to the construction industry. You can also look at various industry publications to get a sense of the local, regional, and national markets. Now, if you want to think outside the box, hire an affordable research firm, consult a focus group, or just ask around town to see what experiences locals are having with these companies. Maybe you even get a client or two while you're doing that. Number 2, write a business plan. A business plan doesn't just grab the attention of possible investors, but it's a roadmap for you as you create and scale your construction business. This business plan can be as simple or as complex as you like it, but either way, we would recommend it include the following: an executive summary. This is the part of your plan that serves as an introduction. It should be brief and compelling. Think of it as a quick elevator pitch to help inform the reader as to what's coming. It might include biographical information about your company as well as details about your future plans. Company overview. Next, give an overview of your company from what it does to who the founders are. You can write a value proposition statement here too, which explains why your company's services are in demand in your particular market. You'll also note here which kind of business structure your company has. Market analysis. Here's where that market research comes into play. You need to include hard data related to the current state of the industry, the target market, and the opportunity for growth. You can also include some competitor research, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of your competition. Business structure. You'll need to describe the structure of your company in great detail. Include information on who owns the company, how leadership is divided, whether there's shares, how are they invested among investors, the legal structure, the organizational layout, and the number of current employees and planned future hires. Want to view the entire lesson as well as all of the other lessons included in this course? Visit heavyape.com and use the coupon code E&C to get 25% off.